Look at that. Check out that meat stick right there. Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video, we're going to be going over a new jerky gun that we got in the mail. This is for beginners and professionals, I think. People that make jerky all the time. People that's never made it before in their life. Look, this thing, first time I've opened it, it comes with a cleaning brush, which is pretty cool. Let's see, this right here is a push rod. I believe that's what it is. And then you got these tubes here. Like a double tube. Then you got your flat one for making some jerky. It looks kind of big, don't it? And then you got your double one. You got another one of these. More brushes for cleaning with. You got the jerky gun. And you got this little book here. Warranty 12 months. Look at that. Anyways, we're going to give this thing a shot today and see what we got going on with it. See how we like it. I think it's going to be a pretty good jerky gun. Look at this thing. Looks like a beast. Yeah. Nice. The instructions don't really tell you a whole lot about it. Come on, baby. There's some nice big old fat threads on there, ain't it? All right, that's that. Let's open this up. All right, and this is how you're gonna clean it. I'm gonna take it apart and clean it like this. Screw it back together. So what we got here is we got some Caribbean jerk. Let's pack this thing. So let's stick it in. This is the way you do any kind of jerky press gun. Except for this. Most of them don't come with that, and I like that. And this thing's supposed to hold 2 pounds of meat. This is 2 pounds of meat. Screw this back on here. Our Nesco dehydrator. We're just gonna start first, right like this. Just steady, easy. Now we got the double barrel. We're gonna try this one out. Just pump it. It starts coming out. Steady. Yeah, let's see how easy this thing is to clean. Look, we got a little bit of meat left here. Let's use one of these to push some of that meat out with. Ah, look at there. For cleaning out the press itself. You see there? I'm just going to take this thing here. We'll try to clean it. Yeah. Clean up is a breeze. Well, there you have it. There's the final product from using this jerky gun. Yeah, I tell you, the one thing I like about this, I believe the main thing I like about this jerky gun is how big it is. You can put a lot of meat in there. 2 pounds of meat's a pretty good bit of meat. And yeah, that's one thing I like about it. One thing I don't like about it, and it has nothing to do with the gun. It has to do with their packaging or whatnot. But they could have put at least one jerky recipe in there, but there wasn't. Other than that, I can't think of anything wrong with it. It's got the brushes, it's got the jerky press gun, and it's got all the different attachments to go on the end of it. And you see, it's real easy to make. You don't have to put any kind of skins on the meat to make meat sticks. Just look at that. Check out that meat stick right there. That's good right there, boy.